Hi guys, it's Mrs. Walla here. So today, since we're towards the end of the year, I can't believe it, um, I thought I would give you a tour of my studio because I make art and sell it and show it. And I thought for you art makers, it might be interesting for you to see how I work. So one thing I've been doing lately is I've been painting paintings of my well, of anyone who wants them, of their pets, which is really fun because pets are so wonderful and cute, and they give us so much comfort. So I've got some things like that going on, and I also have some other types of artwork. I do portraits, I do just anything that pops into my head, things that I like to look at. So I will show you around my studio, okay? I also do architecture, so you're gonna see some architecture stuff like big rolls of paper, and now I use the computer. So anyway, I hope you enjoy my studio tour. Okay, so here we go. I'll give you an overview of my studio. I have nice windows to look out over the street. I have shelving to put my studio things that I make on while they're drying. We'll come back to that. Let's see. Okay, so these are some paintings that I've made recently. Some birds, some paintings. Now, remember when I was instructing you on how to use things around your house, like things that aren't normally paint, that we were painting with coffee, we were painting with berry juice, we were painting with what else? Well, homemade paint, flour and salt. So these are actually portraits that I did using makeup. So you see this whole table over here is full of things of makeup. And so I use my table here to make the artwork on. And I have a whole stack here of empty canvases to make my makeup paintings on. And those are my portraits of my family pictures so that I can make the portraits. So here's another bird. Those are oil paintings. I also did some houses, and these are some flying creatures, dragonflies, cicadas. They make a lot of noise. Now in my studio I like to feel calm, so I have my diffuser here and it makes a good smell in the air. And my printer. I print out a lot of pictures to look at while I paint. You see all my paints? These are my paint tubes, some of them. So yes, painting takes a lot of equipment. Well, a lot of paints, as you can see, and I have a lot of paintbrushes, all different sizes, so that I can do different sizes of paintings. So I have a little painting here I'm working on right now. It's somebody's cat. They wanted a portrait of their cat, so it's about halfway done. There's the picture I work from. So I have my easel. You guys, I bet some of you guys have easels at your house, right? This is a big one, so I can put big canvases on there, and then I have inspiration things around that I like to look at to just give me inspiration. Different famous artist paintings I keep up to look at to give me good direction. And a couple of bigger paintings I've done. Those are some rocks that inspired me. So I did these big rocks. And it's always good to have extra layout space. Tables. I have lots of ripped up t-shirts that I use for rags. That's my crystal ball. Everyone needs a crystal ball. You want to know the future? Anyway, so that's kind of, these are my junky, well, I have these nice shelves, but they're kind of junky. I have to go through everything every once in a while and get rid of knickknacks. And my big computer that I do my architecture drawings on, and different marketing things that I do for graphic design. I drink a lot of coffee. So those are my coffee mugs from the day I have to take down. Now you can probably recognize that it's very full of stuff and kind of messy. And actually, I'm not messy anywhere else in my life, but I do not mind if my studio gets messy. It just means I'm working hard. So here's a big drawing of a hurricane that I did in pink pencils. And this was a painting I'm working on. It's not done. It's about halfway done. It's pretty big. Of the Amazon fires in the Amazon. And that's about it. In my studio, I have 2 desks. All right. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed your studio tour. Here's one more painting. That's of my backyard. I have a chipmunk in that one. Cute little chipmunk. And some hummingbirds. So anyway, I hope you guys are having a good day, and you will do lots of artwork over the summer. Okay? Keep busy. Bye.